Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Nurina Safia. My groupmate is Nunarja Farin and Siti Rashid. And today we are going to present our THT Week 10. Next slide. Okay, what are we going to preparing for a job interview and what do you need to prepare? Next. The first is attire, appropriate attire. Attire means to create a strong first impression and to show respect and professionalism toward the company and the individual. It also can help boost your self-confidence and also help you appear more competent and prepared. Next slide. Appropriate appearance and attire for a job interview. The first is feature for the hair, facial hair, and the scalp. For the man has to be a neatly trimmed hair, clean shaven, or well groomed facial hair. And for the female, they have to neat hair. If wearing a scarf or hijab, it should be neat and modest. Next slide. The second is shirt and dress. For the men, long sleeve shirt in neutral color, like a formal slack. And for the female, formal blouse or modest dress. Avoid bright or flashy design. Next, I pass to Naja.
Okay, for the next features, which is shoes, for men, they need to wear clothes like two leather shoes in black or brown. For female, closed shoes with low heels, clean and must be simple. Next, for accessory such as tie, belt, and brush. For men, a simple tie, belt, and maybe a watch. For nothing and not too flashy. For female, a simple brush, watch, or minimal jewelry to avoid heavy and loud accessories. Next, I will pass to Nur Ashikin.
Okay, we're going to slide what not to wear for a job interview. So what we want to avoid is t-shirt and jeans, short skirt or overly tight clothes because it will distract a hiring manager from your focusing your credential and also your qualification for the job interview. And also for the sneakers, sandal or slipper, is too informal. That's why we suggest to wear a clothes like a brown and also like a black to more formal and also a bright makeup or perfume so there will be too strong like pink blush too much and cloth with a large logo and incorporate a message which is have a school at the t-shirt or whatever and also too many accessory of flashy jewelry which is we have a earring too much, also have a piercing at your face, whatever. Okay, next. So for our next is mock interview preparation, which is a common interview question, which is we can practice the answering questions such as they will ask like, tell me about yourself, what are your strengths and weakness, what do you want to work with us, and where do you see yourself in 5 years? So we use the STAR method to answer the interview question, which is STAR means situation. So what was the contact? And T was a task. What was your responsibility? And A was action. What did you do? And R for result. What was the outcome? So this will be explained like week 8 for the stars using the method. So you can refer that. So this is just replay for the as week 8. So I guess that's all from us. Thank you and good luck everyone for your mock interview. That's all. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.